Hi, my name is Ava, and guess what? I have an amazing gift called dyslexia. That means I learn differently and I have to decode the words before I read them. Pretty cool, right? And that is one of my many talents that makes me a genius. I also am an inventor of toys, an entrepreneur, a STEM ambassador, and I've authored 3 books and the creator of Team Genius Squad. Now, a little bit more about my background. I'm from Durham, North Carolina, and this is my family. My mom, my dad, my sister, and my grandma. This is my squad, Team Genius Squad. Ever since I was a little girl, I loved dressing up like a STEM worker, wearing lab gear equipment, and building cool things like homemade rockets. And I've also designed my first ever STEM kit when I was 8. Wanted to help kids learn while playing, and I even made my own slime in different colors. I love slime. Now I have 15 products in retail stores, which is experiment kits, puzzles, and slime. I also authored 3 books. One is about my life story and how I started Team Genius Squad. One is to show other kids how to make their own book and become an author. And one is also a fun STEM coloring book with stickers that teaches kids about acid-base reactions. I love talking, so I go around and share my story. I also travel around the country, sharing how I overcame my academic challenges using STEM and how fun it was. I've also conducted STEM experiments with my peers in the community. Here's a great example.
I want to introduce to you Ava.
Are you guys ready to do an experiment? Yeah! And 3, 2, 1.
Now that you know all about me, make sure you visit the store and see my products and the products of other STEM geniuses. Thank you for letting me share my story to you. And remember, never let your challenges define your success or future. Bye!